may be surprised with this special birthday greetings full of divine thoughts and blessings. I wish you to cherish every second of this day, enjoy every moment you smile. Today, you get feel special, so forget life's troubles and have blast. Today, on the occasion of your birthday, I consider my responsibility to pray for you. Under shadow of prayers, a happy birthday to you. Pictures on the computer screen speak much about my affection and past memories during your stay in Bhilai for completing engineering education. It is wish of your professor and mentor that your life become enjoyable with my blessings and also best wishes of people around you. Here is every time I bless for you. From your Facebook profile, I could find few photos to refresh sweet memories when you were my most favorite scholar in engineering college. I wanted to see you as successful woman entrepreneur. Therefore, after completing ME, I suggested couple of PhD topics as well as I offered you to join GMAT Foundation with me, but your destiny was different. On your birthday occasion, I appraise you with unique feature of my invention known as solar clock decision making tool. On computer screen, 6 life cycles are shown in which a person's happiness graph is required in decision making. Number 1. Acquiring new hobbies during age less than or equal to 12 years. Number 2. Career making opportunities during age greater than 12 and equal to 24 years. Number 3. Family making during age greater than 24 and equal to 36 years. Number 4. Family caring during age greater than 36 and equal to 48 years. Number 5. Social welfare activities during age greater than 48 and less than 72 years. Number 6. Divine thinking after age 72 years. Happiness percent is computed from birth, time, sun and transit sun positions of solar clock display for particular life cycle under consideration. Happiness percent depends on factors like health, mental peace and financial status, etc. You have enjoyed two life cycle and now third life cycle is in progress. First cycle of 12 years was meant for acquiring new hobbies. Second life cycle from 13 years to 24 years was meant for career making opportunities. Now you are having third life cycle from 25 years age to 36 years, which denotes family making and caring period. Happiness percent is computed from birth time, sun and transit sun positions of solar clock display for particular life cycle under consideration. The main motto of current life cycle from year 2021 to 2028 is for your family caring. The solar clock happiness index is worked out to appraise you about future events in two stages. Number 1, from birth year 1992 to 2016, the end of second life cycle. Number 2, from year 2016 beginning of third life cycle to its end in 2028. Happiness index graph shown on computer screen from 1992 to 2020 represents the past events and the curve from 2021 to 2028 foretell about future events. Number 1. Happiness index at birth time in 1992 is equals to 77.78%. Number 2. Happiness index in 2016 at the end of second life cycle is equals to 65.28%. Number 3. Happiness index in 2021 present time period is equals to 75%. Number 4. Happiness index in 2028 is equals to 52.78%. At any point, the rise in happiness index is due to new achievements, success in any venture or financial gains, and the fall in the index shows loss, ill health, failures in attempts or financial shortages, etc. At birth time, happiness index was 77.78%, which was reduced to 65.28 in the year 2016. The reason may be your wrong choice of joining the municipal office services instead of beginning the entrepreneurial career. The violet color bars shows the happiness index of your career as woman entrepreneur. Happiness index rises up to 2021 because your marriage was materialized. You have to be careful and make right decisions in view of family caring period because the index is falling to 52%. Maybe now you have to think of work from home activities and give up the present job in the interest of family matters. Dear viewers, you have seen very special application of solar clock timeline happiness graph in designing videos of special occasions. If anyone is interested in unique video greetings design of any occasion, he may contact us. Through our channel's viewership, we understand that you eagerly look forward to new videos in education reform. Therefore, we request you to subscribe the channel immediately so that you get new videos timely. Our phone number 9755 039 605. WhatsApp number 93402 70892 and email ssgraphicdurg@gmail.com. Thank you.
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी